I'm happy to say that in the fourth quarter of 2021, we delivered a strong growth of 19% organically and strengthened positions on our core markets, while also continuing to grow our results, improving operating EBITDA to 244 million SEK. We were challenged by COVID restrictions and high absence, as well as continued disturbances in inbound supply chains, all of which impacted efficiencies and margins negatively. In the quarter, we also saw continued considerable increases in input material cost, which we mitigate with price increases to the market in an ongoing basis.
So how would you summarize 2021 for Inwido?
I'm both happy and proud with our achievements in 2021. We delivered good growth of 16% organically, despite a turbulent year with COVID restrictions as well as material inflation. And we also saw continued good results improvement with an operating EBITDA of 11.7% and strong cash flows, strengthening our balance sheet for acquisitions as well as further investments in future growth. With a return on operating capital of 16.9% for the full year, we delivered well in line with our recently launched long-term targets. So, all in all, 2021 was a good step on the ambitious Inwido growth journey. I want to take this opportunity and thank all the employees of the Inwido family for great efforts in a very dynamic year.
So, Henrik, Inwido has highlighted acquisitions as an important growth driver. What's on the M&A agenda going forward?
We continue to increase the investment in resources going in to drive the M&A agenda for the group. I would have hoped that we would have closed at least one transaction in the fourth quarter, but as I have said before, these processes are hard to predict timing-wise. I'm happy with where we stand in terms of the shortlist as well as ongoing discussions, and I feel confident that we can make some material progress on the M&A front in 2022.
So finally, Henrik, what is your outlook near term?
We enter 2022 with a strong order backlog, which will obviously support sales in the near term. Here and now, we still see relatively robust activity levels in the consumer segment in most of our geographies and better than expected demand from the industry markets. In the medium term, however, potential impact from increasing bottlenecks in global supply chains, increasing energy prices, combined with the impact of societies fully opening up after the pandemic, are hard to predict. But in the long term, we remain optimistic with a strong demand for energy-efficient windows and doors as the desire to invest in a sustainable and good life indoor increases.
Thank you, Henrik Hjalmarsson.
Thank you very much.